Have you ever felt like your life is a house on fire, but you are standing there holding a teaspoon of water? You want to change. You want to be disciplined, but every morning the bed feels like a magnet and your goals feel like a distant dream. Most people think discipline is a punishment, but what if I told you that discipline is actually the highest form of self-love? What if the secret to rebuilding your entire life starts in the quietest hour of the day? In a valley where the sun takes its time to rise, lived a man named Silas. Silas was a woodcutter, but his axe was blunt and his shed was empty. He was a man of tomorrow. Tomorrow I will sharpen the blade, he would say. Tomorrow I will cut the oak. But as the sun set every day, Silas felt a heavy stone in his chest. It was the weight of another wasted day. His mind was a storm of noise. He felt small, weak, and forgotten by time. One cold winter evening, Silas visited an old monk who lived on the highest peak. "Master," Silas said, his voice trembling, "I am drowning in my own habits. My mind is a wild horse I cannot tame. How do I rebuild a life that is already broken?" The monk didn't give him a complex plan or a heavy book. He simply said, "The war for your soul is fought at 5 a.m. In that hour, the world is silent. There are no distractions. There is only you and the choice to rise." Silas shook his head. "But Master, I am tired. My body craves rest." The monk smiled. "You are not tired of sleeping, Silas. You are tired of losing. You are tired of the person you have become." The next morning, the cold wind's alarm woke Silas at 5 a.m. His mind immediately started the battle. "It's too cold. Stay under the blanket. Just 10 more minutes. You can start tomorrow." This was the discipline of zero, the moment where you either choose nothing or you choose to become someone. Silas remembered the monk's words. He didn't try to change his whole life. He simply sat up. That was his 1% victory. He realized that procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's about being afraid of the effort. By rising at 5 a.m., he wasn't just waking up early. He was reclaiming his power from the hands of fear. Weeks passed. Silas followed the Stoic path. He didn't seek motivation. He built a routine. While the rest of the village slept, Silas sharpened his axe. While the world was busy with noise, Silas was busy with growth. The 5 a.m. secret wasn't about the hour. It was about self-acceptance, realizing he was worthy of a better life. His blunt axe became sharp. His empty shed is filled with wood, and the heavy stone in his chest turned into a resilient heart. Success is not a grand event. It is a series of small, quiet choices made when no one is watching. A resilient mind is built in the shadows of the early morning. If you want to rebuild your life, don't look at the mountain, just look at the clock. Rise when your mind tells you to sleep. Be the master of your first hour, and you will be the master of your destiny. Tomorrow morning, the world will be silent at 5 a.m. Will you stay in the comfort of your blankets, or will you start building your dream? Don't wait for motivation, just rise. That is your 1% lesson for today. Be patient, be thankful, and keep moving forward.